Hello, my dear friend. My name is Anurag and I welcome you in today's presentation. In today's presentation, we're going to envision the future together. Mark my words, it's a big statement, but the technology that we're going to witness is going to change the future. So stay tuned. Let me tell you about the presentation. Today's presentation is based entirely on facts. 90% of whatever we hear are opinion, only 10% are facts. Opinion change from time to time, but facts never change. Let's take an example. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is the Prime Minister of India since 2014. It's a fact. Everybody can has a different opinion about his work, and it may change over a period of time, but facts never change. The question is, are you someone who takes decision based on facts? If yes, this place is definitely for you. Are you at the right place? You're going to spend next 25 to 30 minutes of your life with me. So it's my moral responsibility that I should tell you whether you are at the right place or not. So if the answer to the following questions is yes, then this place is for you. Are you someone who is willing to maximize his gains? If the answer is yes, you're at the right place. Are you someone who is willing to improve the financial health of his family? If yes, definitely you're at the right place. And if you're someone who's looking to have a platform that can actually help you not only to have money, but also to have time to enjoy that money, then definitely you're at the right place. So let's get started. I will start this presentation with some universally true statements. Every individual aims to increase the financial health of his family. Every government aims to improve the financial health of the country. The financial health of the country is based on the economy of the country, and the economy of the country is based on the state of business in that country, and the health of businesses is depending upon the exchange of goods and services, and goods and services is dependent upon the medium of exchange. So any medium of exchange must have these five attributes. First, it should be fast. It should change hands as soon as possible. It should be reliable. Just take an example. You have currency note in your pocket. That currency note is issued by the government of India. That's why it has a worth. Or because it has been issued by any government, it has a worth. If I will offer you the same note, it will be said counterfeit. So it should be reliable, it should be secure, it should be available to everybody, so it should be within reach, and most importantly it should be economical. The benefits of the system should not be outweighed by the cost incurred on the system. So it is very important. So let me tell you how the money has evolved. In earlier days, we used to have barter system, which used to change goods for goods. Then we moved to gold, then we moved to metal coins, then to paper money, then to plastic cards, and today we use electronic money. That means we just scan a QR code and money gets transferred. So is this the end, or there's something else lies in future? Yes, there is something, and that is cryptocurrency. But the question arises, why? This for the same reasons for which transition has happened till date. The next step will be cryptocurrency because it is more secure, offers more immediate settlement, has access to everyone, and offers a very low cost as compared to the current financial system. When I say access to everyone, let me share a data with you. The first bank in India was opened in 1770, and the first phone call was made in 1995. After 251 years, total unique account holders in India are approximately 30 crores. On the other hand, there are 76 crore unique smartphone holders in just 26 years. So technology has outpaced the current financial system in a big way. What about the businessmen are saying? The future of money is digital currency. Paper money is going away. Bitcoin will do to the banks what email did to the postal industry. That means Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies will do to the bank what email did to the postal industry. Is a big statement. What Mr. Raghuram Rajan is saying, he's the ex-governor of RBI. When he was the governor of RBI, he was invited on NDTV for a talk. And he said, virtual currencies will be popular in the future. So let me tell you, my dear friend, the role of an advisor is very important in our life. Now you have to choose your advisor about money. Do you want to listen to any Tom, Dick and Harry, or you want to listen to the experts? Subramanian Swamy has recently given a statement, Bitcoins and other cryptocurrencies calls it unstoppable. And it was 26th May 2021, very recent. He has a 45-minute video lecture on YouTube available on this topic, and it was telecasted on 22nd of May 2021. So you can actually go and double cross these facts. These are the countries that have already legalized cryptocurrencies. If you can see in the map, the India is in orange color. It's not in red, it's not in green. So cryptocurrencies has already been accepted in India, but yes, a legal framework is about to come and it is already in process. Elon Musk invested $1.5 billion in cryptocurrency Bitcoin. Now cryptocurrency is trading somewhere around 25 to 30 lakh rupees and it has touched 50 lakh rupees. So I don't have that much of fund that I can go and buy 10 to 12 Bitcoins. But yes, approximately 7 to 8 years ago when someone approached me, I had that fund, but I don't had that vision. But today I'm going to talk about a project that offers the same benefits or the same potential as Bitcoin. So just stay tuned till the last and you will see one of the best platform of your life. That's my promise. Indians are spending millions daily in cryptocurrencies trading. So already many Indians are adopting to it and they're spending that money through cryptocurrency exchanges in India. So you pay from your bank account, you get a payment in your bank account. So it is 100% legal. Many people doubt whether it's legal or illegal in India. I was also at the same boat. For quite many years, I was thinking it's an illegal project. But let me tell you, you make payment from your bank account, you do your KYC, you receive payment in your bank account. So everything is within the premises of the law. Now, cryptocurrency is just the tip of the iceberg of the technology that is going to change the future. And the technology is blockchain. Jack Ma said, blockchain technology could change our world more than people imagine. But what exactly blockchain technology is? Let me give you a very simple comparison to make you clear about the same. Just like email is a part of internet, but it is just one of the application of the internet. Same way, cryptocurrency is a very small part of blockchain technology. It is just one of the application of blockchain. Blockchain has a much wider use and blockchain will revolutionize every aspect of our life. Every single thing that you are seeing is actually happening across us will be shifted to blockchain. Already, Dubai has become a smart city. So it has already shifted on blockchain and you can actually go and check that thing on YouTube. There's a complete documentary available over there. There are already institutions in India that are doing courses of the blockchain. Even blockchain is being trained, like professionals are being trained in Indian government institutes on blockchain. Why? Because the industry has already started to make a demand for the same. They're looking for blockchain professionals to exploit blockchain solutions. Government of India is conducting a blockchain hackathon from 13th July to 15th July in IIT Delhi with the help of Niti Aayog. Why? Because IITians are the topmost brains of the country and the government wants that they should be well prepared for this technology so that they can actually get this implemented across the country. Across the country. So blockchain has a big future. Nirmala Sitharaman gave a statement that the government is very much optimistic about blockchain and cryptocurrencies in India Today conclave, which was recently concluded on March 15, 2021. Now, a survey said that India is going to adopt blockchain technology and it will have a very good contribution in Indian economy. I want to tell you, in 2021, if you can see, there's no scope of blockchain in India. US and China has just started to adopt it. But by 2030, US and China has adopted it in a big way and India has just started to adopt. So let me just ask you, technology that is being adopted by world's two biggest economies, US and China, do you think so the world's third largest economy, India, will not adopt the same? My dear friend, the blockchain is future. India is going to adopt the same. So question arises, how can I take advantage of it? So I'm going to present a project in front of you by through which you can actually take advantage of this technology and you can make a big fortune. And that project is called Meter, an idea of today, a trend of tomorrow. But let me tell you a big fact. 83% of the people are unaware about cryptocurrencies and blockchains. And this is where the money lies, because money is made through awareness. And this is a factor about the around the globe. If I just talk about India, more than 95% people are unaware of cryptocurrencies and blockchain, and it offers a huge growth potential. So if I can adopt it today and can actually make people aware of the same, I can make a big fortune out of it. A big fortune is waiting for you and me. So what are the factors that determine the value of a cryptocurrency? First, let me make this clear to you that cryptocurrency is not just about a currency, it is about a digital share. Just like we trade the shares of other companies on NSE and BSE, same way we can actually trade cryptocurrencies on exchanges. So basically, it is a digital share of those companies those are dealing into blockchain. But there are a few factors that determine whether a cryptocurrency will go up in price or not. And those factors are, first is reliability. Again, which organization or which particular company is bringing that project? What is the credibility of that company? Second is usability. How useful is the project for the general public? Then availability. Can a mass number of people actually take advantage of that product? And most importantly, speed of transaction. As cryptocurrency offers dual benefits, it can be used as medium of exchange. It can be used as medium of exchange as well as store of value, just like gold. So speed of transaction becomes an important part. Exchangeability. Can my cryptocurrencies be trading into different other cryptocurrencies, and can it be converted into fiat currency? So, and last and most important, acceptance. How many people are going to accept it? And acceptance will solely depend upon the usability of the project. Let me just tell you, Meter is a part of VolumeX group. Now, VolumeX is a 10-year-old organization dealing into the field of cryptocurrencies and forex trading. They are professional traders. Not just that, they actually train people to become professional traders, and they have trained more than 10,000 people till now. And they have crores of asset under management. By 2020, they will train more than 1 lakh people to become professional traders. They have been covered into all the financial news channels and newspapers of their country. And you can actually go and check this data on Google. Now, to make it more usable to the general public, Meter has tied up with Clink Media. Clink Media is India's largest content factory, and it has its own OTT platform called Zulo. With the help of Clink Media, we're getting a product called Magic Box, which can help you to convert your normal LED TV into smart LED TV, and it is just one of the use. It is basically a single board computer that can perform n number of functions in your home. Clink Media is a brainchild of Kiran Aryaji, who is a technological wizard, and he was one of the founder member of YouTube. Other useful projects of Meter are e-learning platforms. Just like Byju's and Whitehand Junior have their e-learning platform, same way Meter will come with its e-learning platform. It will also come with its online meeting platform very soon. So very soon we will be able to meet on Meter Meet rather than Zoom. It will be coming with its YouTube and Facebook like platforms. E-commerce platform is about to come within next 30 to 40 days. OTT platform like Netflix and Hotstar, online gaming zones, and most importantly, it has its own blockchain. Only 10% of the companies had its own blockchain, because getting a blockchain needs a very technological advancement, as well as it is very high on pocket. It is very heavy on pocket. So every company do not come with a blockchain. So they use the blockchain of other currencies. Like in current times, people are using the blockchain of Ethereum and Tron. But in near future, you will see people shifting to Meter. Why? Because it offers much more benefits as compared to the current platforms. And all these will actually boost the price of Mcoin, which is basically the cryptocurrency of Ether. So Mcoin is going to be a great hit among people. Ether blockchain transaction per second is 2 lakh transactions per second. This is the highest till now. The second highest is of Tron, which is 15,000 transactions per second. The third highest is of Ethereum, which is just 15 seconds per second. So you can see how technological advance the blockchain of Ether organization is. 2 lakh transactions per second. Mcoin total quantity is 1 billion, which is 100 crores, and 40 crores are pre-mined. So it is open to buy and purchase in the open market. So you can actually buy and purchase 40 crore as of now. Rest 60 crores will be mined in years to come. Mcoin is made up on proof of authority, and it is just a fourth coin of the world to be on this technology. Mcoin is already listed on Windex and Earthbit, and it is very soon going to get listed on BioCoin, TradeBridge.io, and many other exchanges. Also, it will be very soon available on CoinMarketCap. All these things will actually strengthen the prospects of Mcoin, and the prices will go up and up. So how actually you can take advantage of Ether project? So there are 4 ways. If you're a technological person and you want to come with your own blockchain startup, you can actually use the blockchain of Ether. Or you can actually take the advantage of Ether Pro Fixed plan, in which you get a fixed return of 250%. Just for example, if you give 1,000 rupees to a company returns it by multiplying by 2.5 times. So you will get 2,500 rupees after 100 weeks. You will get paid 2.5% per week. So in 100 weeks, you will get 250%. Or you can actually offer your money to the company and they can trade on your behalf. You will get 70% of the profit and company will keep 30%, but your principal amount will remain safe. Or the best part is, or the best way is to get staking plan of Mcoin. Why? Because it offers you partnership in Mcoin and it has the maximum benefits. So how you can actually stake in the Mcoin? You can take stake with as low as $30. When you buy a pack of $30, company offers you a stake of 150%, that is $45 for 365 days. So every different pack offers you a different stake from 150% to 200%. So let me just explain you with an example how it works. So let's say you take a trial pack of $30. On that day, I'm just taking an example, on that day, the price of the dollar was 80 rupees and the price of the coin was 10 rupees. So you will actually pay for 240 coins. But instead of 240, you will get 360 coins staked over a period of 365 days. So you will get 0.98 coins every single day in your account. If you will take beginner pack, which again offers 150%, then your stake will be 730 days. So apart from trial pack, every pack offers a stake of 730 days and offers a stake of 150% to 200%. For example, in business pack, you pay $27,000, you will get stake of $54,000 for 730 days. So if you're getting 4,32,000 coins, so you will be getting 591.78 coins per day in your account. So if you decide not to invest your money in Mcoin, what are the other alternatives? You will keep it in savings account and in 2 years, it will become 10,600 rupees. If you will keep in fixed deposit, it will become 11,200 rupees in 2 years. If you keep it in mutual funds, it will become 12,100 rupees. But if you stake in Mcoin, it will become 15,000 rupees because you are getting 150% of the stake. And if the value of the coin gets doubled, it will become 30,000 rupees. But I want to tell you, the price of the Mcoin is expected to rise by 10 times. So your 10,000 rupees can become 1,50,000 rupees in just 730 days. So it's a project that offers calculated risk, but offers huge returns, high profit. This is an example. I actually bought a $120 pack on 17th of February 2021. At that time, company was offering 200% stake even at the starting package, but it has now reduced to 150%. As the company will keep progressing, this will be reduced more in future. So I bought a stake of $120, and in just less than 4 years, on 20th of June, my total stake was $126. So I can actually sell it for $126 right now, or I can hold it and sell at a later date at a higher price. Now it took me 4 months to get my principal back. At that point of time, there was no project happening on ground, but that has already starting to happen. So you can expect a speedy recovery of your principal amount, and rest all will be your profits. So at a calculated risk, you can actually get huge profits. Now tell me how you can make money, because till now we have just talked about if you invest money, what will happen. So how you can make money by making people aware. First income that you get is introduction bonus. Whenever you introduce someone with $30 in your team, you immediately get $15 at introduction bonus. You can introduce as many people as you can. So here I take an example of 6 people. So it will be $90 as your income. For all the other incomes, if you want to enjoy, you must upgrade yourself with at least $90. That means your total stake should be $120. So you can actually do that directly from day one, or you can actually introduce 6 people, and from that money you can actually upgrade yourself. The choice is totally yours. Second income that you get is advisory bonus. You get introduction bonus from the people whom you have introduced in the business. And now you get advisory bonus from the people who are brought into the business by your team. So like you introduce 3 people, you get $15 each, $45. They introduce 3 each, from them you get $1, so $9. Till 9th level, you have 29,523 people. So $24,650 in advisory bonus and $30,000 in your rewards. So total $54,650, which will approximately 35 to 40 lakh rupees, though I have put 30 lakh over here, but it will be 35 to 40 lakh rupees. So if you will just achieve 15%, it will be 15 lakh rupees. If you just achieve 10%, it will be 3 lakh rupees. But let me tell you, there's no time limit on that. So even if you take 1 year to complete one level, in 9 years, you can actually make 35 to 40 lakh rupees, which is a decent amount. Other than that, you get direct income and residual bonus. Now, what is direct income? When someone who has been brought or sponsored by you directly in the business upgrades, you get 10% of the upgraded pack. For example, if someone upgrades by $90, you get $9. If someone upgrades by $900, you get $90. And if someone upgrades with $27,000, you get $2,700. So this was when someone who has been directly introduced by you upgrades. If someone else in your team upgrades, you get residual bonus, which comes or which is paid according to the level on which that particular person is in your team. So if your own pack is between $90 to $900, you get residual bonus from the first 9 levels. But if your own pack is between $2,700 to $27,000, your residual bonus comes from 18th level, as shown on the screen. Now let's calculate income on $120, because earlier I calculated that you upgraded with $120, but rest everybody has joined with $30. But if everybody in your team is joining with $120, what are the prospects? So you introduce the same 3 people, you got $72 as one-time income and $3 in ROI. Now let me tell you, ROI comes in terms of coin. And here I've taken example when the ROI rate of the coin is 10 cents. So ROI comes in in coins. Now it is your choice. You can actually convert them into money on the very day, same day, or you can actually hold that coin and sell in the future. So it totally depends upon you. But I'm just telling, if current value we talk about, you get $3 ROI. But if you hold and the prices go up, then your stake goes up as well. So You introduce 3 people, you get $72 one-time income and $3 of ROI or $30, 30 coins. Then next level 9, 27, 81. If you have just reached till 6th level, you have approximately 1,000 people in your team. So you're getting an ROI of $2,500 or approximately 18,000 to 19,000 coins, which is a big asset because when the prices will go up, it will pay you multifold. It will pay you multifold. And you don't have to go till 1,000 people on your own. It's a team effort. You just have to take care till 3, 9, 27 and rest will be followed on its own. Apart from that, you also get team building bonus and rank bonuses. How it works. So your node business is getting lapsed. It is accumulated bonus. As soon as you accumulate a total business of $1,500 in your team, total team, you get upgraded to 5%. That means earlier when someone was getting upgraded in your team, you were getting 10%. Now you will get 15%. And you can go up to 25% at the highest level. That means 25% plus 10%. Your total share of the business that you will do directly will be 35%. That's a big, big margin. Apart from that, if you help your team to grow, you get rewards from $200 till $3 lakh. Total amount of the award is $6 lakh. $6 lakh, huge amount. So what I understood that we can have our monthly expenses covered through other incomes, and this income can actually help in creating assets if we build business professionally. Now let me tell you, this is not a get rich overnight scheme. This is not a get rich overnight scheme. Okay, you get paid as per your efforts. You get paid as per your efforts. Okay, let's take an example at the level of $930, because many people ask that investing 75,000 to 80,000 rupees is not a big deal in business. So if I do that business with that amount, what will be my prospects? Though I personally focus on $120 because it can be afforded by anybody. But let's take an example. If you build your business with $930 pack, so just by doing the same effort of creating a team of 1,000 people, your ROI in dollar get rises is actually increased till $25,000. Or if I talk about terms of coins, it is approximately 2 lakh coins, 2,25,000 coins, which is a huge asset, huge asset. So the sky is the limit. Sky is the limit. Only thing that is actually will decide your paycheck or your income will be your own personal effort and the professionalism with which you will build business. Apart from that, you get extra rewards in cars and kinds and cash and in foreign tours from time to time. You can make payment as of now through Bitcoin and Ethereum. Very soon you will be able to use debit card and credit card to make the payment. Your other companies already has offices in multiple countries. So you're getting associated with a company which has a global presence. So it's nice to meet some people who have already doing good with the company. So you can actually connect with the person who has offered you this video. You can actually go back to the person who has given you this video clip so that you can actually talk about the success stories. Thank you very much for your time. Stay safe, stay blessed.